How's it going, guys? Chris from Terrestrial Imaging here, and in this video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the DJI Dock 2. So when you open the box for the DJI Dock 2, there's really not going to be a lot of items inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick time lapse of us unboxing so that way you can see what the unboxing process looks like and what comes out of the DJI Dock 2 box. So as you guys can see from that quick time lapse, there really isn't a lot of individual components when unboxing the DJI Dock 2. So on the table we have the Dock 2 itself, and I have already installed the wind speed monitor up top. You'll notice it does have a camera and a light on there as well. On the table here I have a product certification as well as the manual to install it. We also have a screwdriver kit, a bunch of screws to install the peripherals on the Dock 2. We also have some bolts over here to actually install the Dock 2 into a concrete pad. And then we will have a weatherproof LAN and power adapter that we'll get into in a whole nother video. Now, as you'll notice with the Dock 2, keep in mind it does not come with any aircraft, batteries, controller, or anything else for the drone itself. Everything you're seeing here is everything that you're going to get when purchasing the DJI Dock 2. All right, so now we just have one box left to open, and that's the DJI Dock 2 itself. All right, so as you guys saw, I was able to power on the DJI Dock 2 without actually having it plugged in, and that's because the Dock 2 does have a battery backup in it, and when you open your box for the first time, it should still have enough power to go ahead and open the box for the first time. So we did mention before that you will have two adapters, and that's one for the Ethernet and one for the power. So we already went ahead and had our electrician outfit our power cable for us, so that's something that you will have to do as well. And again, make sure it's done by a licensed electrician. So that's pretty much it for our unboxing video on the DJI Dock 2. So tune into our next video. We're going to go more in depth on how to actually set it up and kind of connect it to your drone. So keep an eye out for that. In the meantime, guys, thanks for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.